Cooking up understanding. The phrase, cook on low heat. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase used in cooking, cook on low heat. This phrase is not only useful in the kitchen, but it also provides a great opportunity to understand how English speakers give instructions. Let's dive in and decode this phrase together. Cook on low heat might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning. To start, cook is a verb that means to prepare food using heat. The word on in this context is a preposition that links the cooking action with the method used, which in our case is low heat. The term low heat refers to a gentle level of temperature. Not too hot, not too cold, but just enough to cook the food slowly and steadily. Cooking on low heat is important for several reasons. 1. Prevents burning. Low heat ensures that food doesn't burn or overcook. 2. Enhances flavor. Slow cooking on low heat can enhance the flavors in food. 3. Retains nutrients. It helps in retaining more nutrients in the food. 4. Ideal for certain dishes. Some dishes, like stews or sauces, require low heat for the best results. Interestingly, cook on low heat can also be used metaphorically. It means to do something slowly and with care. For example, if someone says, "Let's cook this plan on low heat," they suggest taking time and not rushing the process. Let's try using the phrase in different contexts. Here are some examples. When making this soup, you need to cook it on low heat for 2 hours. I think we should cook our new business strategy on low heat before implementing it. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, cook on low heat, and how it can be used both in the kitchen and in everyday conversation. Remember, cooking and language learning are similar. They both take time, patience, and practice. Happy cooking and learning!